Hi everybody, Kathy O here. As we're moving along with the 2020 quilt project and we're starting to build up some blocks and we know that we're going to have 20. So we thought it would be a good time to go over some organization tips from the wise guys on how to keep your blocks organized. We're going to have 20 blocks plus bonus patterns and handouts and all sorts of things. So to help you along with that organization, we've put some things in place. The first thing is a links document. If you're in the Facebook group, you can go right to the updated link chart and click on it. And when you click on it, you're going to receive this document. This document is updated as each one is released so that you have the ability to go back. All you need to do now is go to your browser and save your link and bookmark it, and you will have the ability to go back in an organized manner and access any of the block patterns or videos as we go on. So they're all listed here. If they're in black, it means they haven't been released yet. If they're in color, it means that you can click on it and it will open. So if I wanted to go and see block number 4, I'm just going to click and I can click on it, and now block 4 opens up as a PDF. So it's right there and set for me. If I need to see the video, I can go and click on the video link and the video will open up for me. So now you have everything in one place.
We're back with block.
This will just help you stay organized so that you know you can get to one place and have everything in order and know this is the block pattern that goes with this video. Again, just go and save the link when it's open in your bookmarks and you'll have it. The other way, of course, is that if you're in the Facebook group, you can go to the announcements tab and then each posting will be put there. So you can scroll through and look through that. But that's going to get quite long after a while, and that's why we're suggesting the links document. The other way you can stay organized is you can join Studio Y. If you're in Studio Y and a member, the 2020 quilt course has everything in outline form along the left hand side here. So you're able to go from block to block to block, and again, as each block is released, a new section will show up. So if we wanted to go to block 5, we have it right here. We're going to click on it, and now we have the video and the PDF downloads for us.
Hi everyone, welcome to block 5 of the 2020.
So for this one we have the block pattern and the angled corners PDF. So everything is nice and organized there as well. So that's another option. Again, we tried to put something in place so that you don't have to figure out how to organize it, and hope this is helpful. You will still also receive the emails if you registered through the website for email drops. Those will still come to you, and go ahead, organize those any way you want in your own inbox. But again, just wanted to give you some options and some tips on being able to come back, especially as we start adding more and more blocks. Looking forward to seeing what you're creating. Make sure you post or send us a picture. Have fun. Sewing basket fun.